Oh, yes. Cooking. Just kidding. It's honestly a miracle I even had a pot and pan for props for that because I literally never cook in real life. But you know, I do love to eat, so counterbalances it. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna put our imaginary chef hats on and we're gonna do some cake decorating. So you guys know I love making celebrity things for cheap. And one thing that I have always wanted to try is to bake a celebrity cake. What's a celebrity cake, Amber? Well, let me show you some pics. Celebrities love to be over the top, and these cakes can cost upwards of $7,000, which is ridiculous. So I thought, you know, in my usual way, I would try to make one of my own. So today, even though I have literally never done this before, we're gonna go ahead and make a DIY celebrity-inspired designer cake. Which is probably a bad idea to have never practiced in real life, but you know, YOLO, do people still say that? Probably not. We're gonna try it anyway. YOLO, I'm bringing it back. So without further ado, here we go. DIY celebrity cake. Broke bitch style, of course. Oh, alrighty, as always, before we get going, here is our outfit of the day. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, it's my favorite game! Cooking fever. The idea of doing a DIY cake had to come from somewhere, and since I've been playing this game non-stop for the past few days, it seemed like the perfect idea. It's a time management game related to cooking, and not to toot my own horn or anything, but I already own a few restaurants and am now opening my very own bakery to serve people colorful and tasty cakes. Curious to see my bakery? I'll show you how addictive and fun it is. Here are my tiny customers, so I am decorating the cakes and giving it to them. Look how fast I'm serving these cakes. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, girl, killing it. Also, look how cute Cartoon Me is. Oh, adorable. You can upgrade your kitchen like I did to earn more money and diamonds. My favorite. I use the diamonds to pimp my kitchen and to have more extra decorations for cakes. I'm just such a good baker. I just passed level 12 with 2 stars. Yes, thank you very much, I know. The game is super addicting and a great stress reliever, so let me know in the comments below if you're already playing, and if not, the link is in the description for you to download for free. And we all know I love free. So huge shout out to Cooking Fever for sponsoring this video. Yo are the bomb.com. Alrighty, as always, before we get going, here's my outfit of the day, which today, we're killing it schoolgirl style. We've got a little Burberry skirt that I got on eBay. So cute. A black turtleneck because nothing says summer outfits quite like a black turtleneck. For shoes, we got some killer boots. Very cute, very cute, very cute. And that does all look to be a baker. So, there we go. Onward ho. Alrighty, so this is where we are heading to today, a cake store. So let's see what we got. Ooh, look how fun. You guys, this place is so cool. Whoa, they literally have everything. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, a guitar cake. Wow, beautiful. Edible glitter. This place is a dream. Ooh, these look fun. Alrighty, so like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing yet, so we're just gonna see what inspires us, so. Oh my gosh, literally all of these are edible, like, a shoe? Sold. My goodness, look at this, is so fun. This is the owner, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm so glad you came by today.
Oh, well, thanks for having me.
I'm so excited to see what you create.
Oh God, me too, we'll see, so.
All
right,
okay,
bye. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so we got all of the goods, and now we're gonna decorate. I'm so excited. So first order of business, we need a base for the cake, so we're just gonna get a base cake. Ooh, these are beautiful. So much fun inspo, but we need a plain cake, so let's see. These are sort of getting plainer. Aha. The plain cakes. We're gonna stack this cake on top of this cake, make it kind of tiered. We're totally gonna redecorate them, but these will be the base for our cake. So there we go. Alrighty, we're home and look at all of the bags we got. We got so much stuff. So are you guys ready to see what we got to complete this project? Great, I'm gonna show you. So basically it looks like a giant hodgepodge, but I just bought literally everything I could think of. We got some cake stands, thingamajiggers, some gold spray paint, fondant, which is basically like fancy frosting. We got some cool little flowers. Oh, they're so cute. Fat Daddy-O's rolling pin. That's hilarious. I didn't read that until just now, but that's really funny. Some fancy gold glittery things. some cakes to decorate, and yeah, a lot of other things, but I don't even know what all of it is, but you know, stuff that looked fun, so we'll see what we end up creating. So like I said, I've never really done this before, but we're gonna see what we can come up with all of these goodies, so here we go. By the way, you guys, the shopping cart in the background, I didn't steal it. My building just has them, so when you buy too many things, that you can get help transporting them upstairs, so needless to say, this is the perfect building for me. Alrighty, so we're gonna get started decorating this cake by first undecorating the cakes that I already bought. So you can see they look like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, remove the toppings off of them so they're nice and flat. Ah yes, look at that. Naked beauties. So we're gonna go ahead and take the fondant, which is kind of like a white sugary paste sort of thing. Take our Fat Daddy rolling pin and go ahead and roll that out until it is all flat. Then I got this really cool little gel imprint thing, which basically you can just lay right onto the fondant and roll it again with the rolling pin, and look at that. Ooh, it makes these really cool little tufted panels, which then we can go ahead and just lay on the cake, like that. To fully cover the cake, you can go ahead and continue making more panels and line up the sides so it creates a smooth line border until the whole cake is covered. Go ahead, do the same thing to the little mini cake, cover the top too, and then go ahead and plop it on top of that cake. We're doing a layered thing today, getting fancy. Next, to go ahead and cover the creases, we're gonna go ahead and take the frosting. Ooh, I love frosting. I ate half of it while I was filming this, but go ahead and then just kind of frost it into the creases until it creates a nice little border line. Very nice, very nice. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take this spray color mist. It's like a pearly color. It looks like we're going to spray paint it right onto the cake. Like you can see when I put the phone flash on, now it's shiny and gorgeous. You know I love me a good sparkle. We're gonna take a break from that and we're gonna head on over to our edible sugar shoes, and we are going to actually color these black. So we're gonna take black food coloring and go ahead and paint those just with a regular old brush. I actually ended up doing it outside because it made such a mess and literally stained my fingers black for like 5 days. So 0 out of 10 would recommend, but I mean, it did work. So we're gonna let those dry and head back inside to continue decorating the cake. So we're gonna take the frosting again that we put in one of the pastry bags, and we're gonna just go ahead and pipe that into the creases so it looks beautimous. Go ahead and pipe it on the bottom too. Again, nothing's perfect, but it looks pretty good to me. And now to make it fancy, we're gonna go ahead and take the little sugar flowers and we're gonna go ahead and just plop those right into the frosting all over the cake. Boop, 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 boop. Wow, this looks great. Go ahead and throw some on the top too, again by putting a little bit of frosting down so it will stick there, kind of like glue, and plop them right on until the whole cake is decorated with all of the flowers. Then we're gonna take the color mist again, spray that all over so you can see now all the flowers and frosting are shiny, shiny too. Then we're gonna head back over to our shoes, which now are completely dry. We're gonna take actual edible glue and little edible pearls, and we're going to glue those right on to the tips of the shoes to decorate them. So cute! I love them. Go ahead, whip back out the frosting to stick the shoes onto the top and plop those right on the top of the cake as a centerpiece. To finish decorating the shoes, we're actually gonna take some meltable little candy drops and we're just gonna plop them in a mug, microwave those for a few seconds, and then when you take them out, you can stir them together into a liquidy white chocolate. Then when you put in a pastry bag, you can squeeze it right out into mini little shapes, like I put them into little bow shapes. And you can see once you plop those into the freezer, wait a couple minutes and you can take them out and ba-doom. 3D little bows. Whip out the edible glue again to stick those on the back of the shoes, and voila! The shoes are completed. So how long have we been working on this, you ask? Well, it is about 2:45 a.m. You can see I made a total mess of not only my house, but also my sweatshirt, oops, and myself too. I'm also a mess. But it was worth it because, dun 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 dun, drum roll please. My Chanel-inspired shoe rose kind of looks like a wedding cake has been completed. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. You can see it's all shiny and beautiful and honestly looks quite professional, I would say, for, you know, my first ever attempt at doing this. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Coco Chanel would be proud. Kinda. I'm exhausted, but there you have it, you guys. That was me baking a celebrity cake, except minus the real baking because technically I just decorated it. But you know, I just didn't want to make my house really messy, which backfired because I ended up making my house super messy anyways. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so very much. I don't really know why I'm holding this like this because it's actually really heavy and I'm probably gonna drop it and ruin it. So I'm gonna go eat this because like all those famous quotes about cake, you're supposed to eat it, you know? Bake your cake and eat it too, or let them eat cake. I don't know. Mostly I'm just hungry and want an excuse to eat the cake, so I will see you guys next time. I love you, my sweet, beautiful, cake-licious baby angels. XO. Oh, I can't even blow you a kiss while I'm holding this. I really need to put this down, but XO. Mwah. Dun, 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 dun. Look at my fabulously extra silverware, by the way. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. But here we go. Na, 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 na. Ho, 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 ho. You know, it's actually really good. I would say compliments to the chef, but more like compliments to the decorator.